Here is what's new and trending at Walmart for 2024. Items you are not going to want to miss. Hello everyone and welcome to today's Walmart winter try-on haul. We have a little bit of everything in here. We have some Walmart hidden gems, we have some accessories, some shoes, some closet staple sweaters that are at under $20, cardigans, jeans, and more. So make sure to stay tuned to the end so you don't miss anything. Like always, everything will be listed in the description box of today's video in order that you've seen them. Also pinned is the top comment down in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and jump into outfit number one. I feel like it is hard these days to find a really chic, cute winter boot that doesn't break the bank, is comfortable, but also keeps your feet warm. These are a new boot under $25. They come in this gorgeous cream and black, and then one other color option available in whole and half sizing. I did go with my true to size 9, and they just look so chic and classy. A really great expensive look for less, comfortable. They keep your feet warm. Now, they do feature a zip here up the side, which makes an easy slide on style, and they also have memory foam padding in them, which makes them incredibly comfortable. Love the little heel going on here. I feel like it dresses up the boot just a little bit. And the shoelace is adjustable here, so if you wear really thick socks underneath it, you can make it wider or tighter. If you want to wear really thick wool socks, though, I would suggest sizing up one. Now, what would a good Walmart video be without a few good cozy staple lounge pieces? I know with the new year, lots of people ramp up their workout routines. Here are two really great items that I am obsessed with. So we'll start off with this pullover. I love the pink and yellow combo. It does come in 3 other color options. I did size for more of an oversized fit. It does feature a drawstring hoodie, which is really, really comfortable. And I would say this is more of like a lightweight material. It's not something that's going to make you too hot, so you could easily layer a vest over this just to give another added layer of warmth. You could throw a tank top underneath, wear this to the gym. These jogger pants are by the same brand. They feature pockets. They're nice, like lightweight waffle knit material, adjustable waistband, but also very just stretchy and comfortable. And I love the fact that they taper around the ankle area, which just gives them kind of a flattering look. These are ones you can wear out of the house, but then also just lounging around the house as well. Available in one other color option. They do run it true to size. They are a closet must-have for the cooler months. Now, I know we all love a good designer bag, but obviously not the price tag. You can opt for this new backpack from Time and True. Now, I loved it so much, I actually shared it in like the faux leather black, which was stunning. I mean, it's just such a nice quality backpack for the price that you're paying. And this print just screamed designer look for less. It does have a pocket here in the front. It does have a nice big opening here with pockets in the center. Like you can fit everything in this. I always say, as I'm being a mama, this backpack style is so flattering and comfortable. You can throw so much in here, and the straps are adjustable as well. It's just a fan favorite. It comes in 2 other color options, and this will just be a go-to bag all year round. At this point, I call this sweater just like a Walmart closet staple, under $10. I love the ombre. I got this last year in the brown and it was so good that I got it again in the pink ombre version, which I feel like will be perfect kind of heading into spring and Valentine's Day. And I just love the material. It's kind of like a lightweight shaker stitch style. It does have a crew neck here, and I love the tones in this. Now, as far as sizing, since I am 29 weeks pregnant, I did size up to a large. I love the fit, but otherwise I would just go with my size medium, and I would front tuck it into some jeans. A very versatile sweater that you can wear casual or dressy, and available in sizes extra small through 3XL. Now, if you're looking for a good pair of denim, you guys know we love Sofia Vergara around here. These are their fit and flare style at 32.5-inch seam. But what makes these stand out is they're under $30, and the quality is so good. So I did size up to a 6 in these for the bump. That way I had some extra room. Otherwise, Sofia Vergara runs very true to size. Comes in a few more color washes. I opted for the really on-trend kind of fit and flare style at the moment. I love this color wash. They also do come in short if you are petite as well. It does have about a mid-rise style here, front pockets and back pockets as well. I'm telling you guys, it's going to be a pair of denim you're going to want to wanna wear on repeat, great workwear and casual option you cannot go wrong with. And I feel like these are really great mother jean look for less that you can find at Nordstrom, and these are a fraction of the price. I feel like I have tried out so many shackets, so many like button down, thicker, like long sleeve tops like this that have just been scratchy or itchy. Didn't like the way they fit, it felt bulky. This one from Walmart, I've shared it in the cream, was so good. I also decided to pick it up in the black. It is such a great closet staple for the winter season. I just have a tank top underneath of it, buttoned up with the gray joggers that I had just shared, but you also could wear this completely open, a little bit dressier with some faux leather leggings and some cute little boots, which stay tuned. I have the best little winter boots to share with you guys, but this does run more oversized, wearing size medium. It's available in sizes extra small through 3X, and it comes in one other color option besides the cream in the black, but it also has pockets too, which is amazing, and it doesn't add much bulk to the look, which I feel like is really hard to do, but Walmart nailed it on this one for under $25. And if you're looking to add a layer to the sweater, a little bit more of a dressier coat, you need to opt for this tan quilted coat from Walmart. The best J. Crew look for less. I'm wearing my shirt a size small. It does cinch around the waistline, which makes it so flattering, comes in more color options, but this is more of a like a lightweight to medium coat. Like I said, really great if you want to style it over top of sweaters or a little bit of dressier looks, but you cannot go wrong with this one. I know in the winter months, I love to kind of switch up my sweater game. I love this new sweater from Time and True. It's a mixed media, so it has this mock neck here, which is really cozy around your neckline. And as you can see, it has a bunch of different like cable knit and just like a normal cotton material going on here. Cinches beautifully at the wrist area. It does come in 3 other color options. This is a really great sweater that just kind of switches things up with the different fabrics here, but it's really practical. Can wear it dressier with some slacks for work or go more casual like I have here with my favorite faux leather leggings. The best Spanx looks for less, you guys. I have tried so many Spanx looks for less, and these by far are my favorite. Under $15 from Walmart, and this mixed media is also under $15, available in sizes extra small through 3XL. But for just under $19, you could opt for this really cozy cardigan. I understand why this is now a bestseller on Walmart. So it has this really cozy faux Sherpa hood that goes on here, and then more of a waffle knit textured material going throughout the cardigan. I am obsessed with this. Available in sizes extra small through 3X. Comes in 3 other color options, but it's perfect if it's a really chilly day to layer over the mixed media sweater that I shared with you guys. Obviously, you could throw on a white long sleeve with this, and that would be stunning as well. Or you could go super casual, wear it around the house with your favorite pair of joggers. And down below in the description box, I also will have my everyday jewelry and makeup linked. Now, if you're looking for kind of an express satin blouse for less, this is a gorgeous option from the brand Time and True. Under $15, comes in 3 stunning color options. I went with this cream. This is the easiest piece to layer. You can throw on a vest on top of this, a blazer. Now, I did go for more of the oversized fit. That way you can front tuck it into some denim jeans or work slacks, or you can opt to wear this out longer, which gives you a little bit more length. So it does have functional buttons going the whole way down the front. I did size up one for more of an oversized fit. Has gorgeous cuffs here and just has that very high quality feel. Stunning blouse for the price that you're paying. And I just have it styled with some denim jeans, but it looks amazing with some black slacks for work. And I feel like this is like the perfect date night blouse if you want to tuck it into some denim jeans and throw on some heels as well. If you enjoyed today's Walmart try on haul, make sure to give that thumbs up. Drop a comment down below in the comment section letting me know which your piece you're most excited about. And if you love all things Walmart, make sure to hit that subscribe button because we talk it here at least once a week and there's lots of great Walmart videos coming your way. So I'll see you all next time.